He's a real politician.
Let me just say a couple of things. First of all, I'd like to introduce you to my team because I got some great guys and gals working for us at Surrey First and for you within the city of Surrey. Councillor Tom Gill, I'm sure you all know Tom. A firefighter, experienced firefighter in the city of Surrey for many, many years, Mike Starchuk. Are you really? Great. The new candidate. The CEO of our homelessness and housing fund, and that is Vera LaFranc. Longtime councillor and great friend from the city of Surrey, Judy Villeneuve. Experience with safety and policing in our city. Our Royal Canadian Mounted Police officer retired Dave Woods, and longtime councillor Barbara Steele, our best advocate for seniors in the city and doing wonderful work for us. Let me just tell you that in the last 9 years, we have laid the foundation of a great city. We have gone from being a punchline to being a powerhouse. And that's no small feat. That takes a lot of teamwork. And quite frankly, what's going to happen on November the 15th is people are going to have to make a choice. They're going to make a choice to either continue the momentum and go forward or go backward. And it's as simple as that. And what we're asking for today is let us continue the momentum that we have got going for us and the status that we have sort of created within the Surrey First model in the country. Is there work to do? Sure, there's work to do. Lots of things that we want to continue to offer. We want to continue to build on. We need transportation and connectivity like crazy, and we're committed to having that light rail within the my first term. Are there things we need to do in the realm of safety? Of course there are. Everybody here wants a safe city. Who doesn't want a safe city? Are we adding more officers? Yes. Is there more to be done relative to getting a community court and taking care of mental health issues and dealing with prolific offenders? All of those are complex issues that require solutions, and this is the team that can actually bring experience and expertise to the table to do that. So I'm not going to make the whole speech tonight. I just want you to know that we're going to work hard on your behalf, and we are asking very much. This is the year we're going to need your support and to get you and your families out to make sure that the Surrey First team can continue the momentum that it's got in building this great city for you and your families. And I'm very grateful to have the home open to me this evening and to my colleagues here on my team. Thank you for your hospitality. And now I get to have a little bit of pakora or something that fills my tummy because I've had a long day and lots happening today. So I'm very grateful for the hospitality. Thank you. Oh, this one's going to be tough.
Luke Virji, thank you very much for opening your house. Waki Prem Virji, thank you for coordinate करना. वाकई मैं ये अपॉर्चुनिटी करना था पंजाबी थोड़ा लाफस करना चाहता मैनू हुण 8.5-9 साल हो गए काउंसिल दे विच मैं अपनी कम्यूनिटी वाल देख रहा साडा कम्यूनिटी किन्ने बधदा किन्ना मोड़ी होई जांदा पर एक जोक मैं तुहानूं दसना चाहुंदा है रियली क्विकली अपने काफ़ी पंजाबी हो गए पैनोरामा दे विच मैनू जिहड़े भी बंदे आउंदे आ कोई सब डिवाइड करदे कोई नवां घर बनाउंदे मैं कहा पंजाबियां दे उदन बनना अपना सारी इज्जत इस कम्यूनिटी चों साइड वॉक बनूंगे पैनोरामा जदों साइड वॉक बनूंगे पैनोरामा उस टाइम अस नाम भी चेंज करके पंजाबी ऑन द रिच बाकी साडा जो टीम है इट्स अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग टीम वी गॉट अ ग्रेट लीडर बाकी मैं तुहाडी बेनती ये करना चाहुंदा है प्लीज़ सानू नवंबर 15 तरीक नूं आके तुसीं प्लीज़ आके सपोर्ट करो ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਮੋਮੈਂਟਮ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਮੋਰ ਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਵੀ ਤਕੜਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਅਤੇ ਇੰਡੀਵਿਜੂਅਲੀ ਤੌਰ ਤੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਗੇਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਸੋ ਇਸ ਤੌਰ ਤੱਕ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪਾਇਨੀਅਰਸ ਹੈਗੇ ਪ੍ਰੇਮਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਅਪਨੂਪ ਵੀਰ ਜੀ ਕਈ ਸਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੰਗੇ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹੇ ਪੋਲਿਟਿਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁਣ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਮਦਦ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੈ ਸੋ ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਸੋ ਮਚ